Mike from Auto Metal Direct just left. We had a great visit with him here. Now we're refocused back on the Daytona. We're getting the parts and the pieces laid out for them to be installed. Ron showed up in the meantime from Legendary. He is also here getting things prepped and ready for the install. Honestly, it is a bit of a sigh of relief because this guy's done it since he was a kid, like I've done it since I was a kid. So we should be able to burn through it just in time to meet our deadline with Tom. So
I'm Ron Halbritter. I've been doing these interiors for about 27 years. Mike called me into his office last week and said Mark had a situation out here where he needed the car put together and he wanted one of the best to do it. So we flew out and we're giving Mark a hand with this slammed together, and it's gonna look sweet.
Getting everybody together on the same page of the book in a small confined area like this can be difficult, but honestly we're off to a really good rhythm, but we have almost everything ready now to go into the car. So from that standpoint, everything's absolutely awesome, but then the clouds of course have to open up and take a great big dookie on me. You know, I told you very clear and plain, hey buddy, bam, the clouds form overhead, the skies part, and there's Tom, just like the prodigal son. Except that they wanted the prodigal son to come home. I never wanted Tom.
You know I gotta get my hands dirty.
You were going away for 5 days, remember?
I changed my mind. You know I'm a help. I gotta work on it.
You know we're capable of finishing it though, right?
I know you're capable of finishing it, but I wanted to have a little hand in finishing it myself.
Oh my God. It's up to those idiots. Do you guys care if...
Class vote. Who says I work on it?
See you in a couple days.
Oh, thanks. Thanks a lot.
Here's the deal, Chrome Dome. You want to work? You can work, okay? I ain't taking a penny off your bill because I know how you are. You think you're going to work and flag some kind of minimum wage thing because of the state of Oregon law? Ain't no state of Oregon law here. You get paid nothing.
Right.
You can do it because you want to get involved. And that's it. And you know we can handle it without your...
Did I ask for a discount?
Okay. I got good news.
Yes.
Legendary's here.
I see that.
Ron's here from Legendary.
Hi, Ron.
Him, unlike you, is actually working. So
Thank
you
you
can
for
work
coming
with
out.
him on the interior.
What's going on?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Seats look awesome.
Thanks.
Tom's that guy. You know what I'm saying? He's that customer, that one from hell that drives you crazy. I love him. I'd do anything for him. If he had no money to finish paying me for the car, I'd give it to him. No problem. But he drives me bananas.
Well, I did go to the coast. I saw everything I wanted to see. It was very nice. Water's cold, but it just kept bugging me working on the car.
It's awesome. I'm excited as can be. True or false? The rear window louvers were standard equipment on a 1970 Plymouth Cuda. The answer coming up after the break. So were the back window louvers standard equipment on all 1970 Plymouth Cudas? The answer is false. Not only were they optional, they were very rare. The J68 code backlight louvers came on approximately only 1% of all muscle cars back in that day. Visit graveyardcars.com to learn more.